Hello everyone, welcome to the legal world of Unacademy. In this session, we are going to compare two topmost law schools of India. I am Tanvi Singh, your Unacademy CLAT educator, and I have come here to introduce you to OP Jindal Law School as well as NLSIU and have a comparative analysis between the two. One college, OP Jindal, for that you have to appear for the entrance exam called LSAT India, and for NLSIU, you have to appear for CLAT exam. So once you have cracked both the exams, how to choose the best college for your future? Let's understand with OP Jindal first. The OP Jindal Law School offers undergraduate, postgraduate, integrated undergraduate, and doctoral courses in law. The duration of undergraduate courses is 3 years, whereas each of the integrated undergraduate courses is of 5-year duration. So there are 5-year LLB courses also, and 3-year LLB is also provided by OP Jindal Law School. Now, admission to all the courses is entrance exam based, and the entrance exam is known as LSAT India. So these are the different courses which are offered by OP Jindal. So one is BA LLB Honors. The eligibility has to be class 12 with a minimum of 45% aggregate, and the exam is called LSAT. Total fees is going to be 30 lakhs for a 5-year undergraduate course. Now, then BA Honors is also available. Class 12 is the minimum eligibility with 45% in aggregate marks you should have, and 12 lakh would be the fees for simple Bachelor of Arts. Now, there is a BBA LLB also, wherein same as BA LLB, you need to have the eligibility of class 12 with a minimum of 45% aggregate, and the selection criteria is through the LSAT entrance exam. Here also the total fees is 30 lakh. Similarly for BCom LLB also, the fees is 30 lakh, 12th class with aggregate of 45% is required, and LSAT is the medium of your entrance exam. Now, LLB is a 3-year LLB course in which bachelor's degree would be required in any discipline with a minimum of 45% aggregate. Here, there are two types of entrance exams which you can appear for. One is JSAT law entrance, and another is LSAT. LSAT के थ्रू भी आपके admissions हो जाएंगे 3-year LLB में. The total fees for 3 years is going to be 18.5 lakh. Now, LLM is a 1-year course, and for that you need to have the eligibility of a bachelor's degree in law with a minimum of 45% aggregate. Selection criteria will be JSAT law entrance, LSAT, or through CLAT as well. So residential, it's going to cost you 6.76 lakh, and non-residential, that is if you're going to take the option of hostel, then it will cost you non-residential would be where you are not taking the hostel, it would cost you 4 lakhs. Now, next, another course here is PhD in law. So if you need to have an LLB degree with a minimum of 55% aggregate. Now, selection criteria is JGU Research Aptitude Test, and the total fee will be 1.75 lakhs. So, the entrance exam through which you get admission to OP Jindal Law School is known as LSAT, Law School Admission Test. It is an entrance exam conducted by the Law School Admission Council for admissions to undergraduate and postgraduate law courses. Test is conducted to shortlist law aspirants for admission in undergraduate and postgraduate level courses offered at various law colleges in India. Now, the courses offered here are 5-year integrated LLB, 3-year LLB course, and 1-year LLB exam through this entrance test. Now, how do you apply for this? The online application candidates can apply online at the official website of LSAT India. Application process includes registration, form fill-up, uploading documents, fee payment, and form submission. Then you are going to get the admit card for your examinations. Candidates can download the admit card by entering their login details. Admit card mentions the details about the candidates, exam schedule, allotted test center, name, and location. Appear for exam, then results are announced. Within a month after conducting the exam, candidates can download their scorecard from the official website. And lastly, you have to go through the admission counseling. More than 85 law colleges accept LSAT India scores for admissions to 5-year integrated LLB, 3-year LLB, and LLM courses. Final admission process will be at the college level only. So this is the medium through which you can get the admission into OP Jindal Law School. Selection and shortlisting of candidates in OP Jindal is through this entrance exam, that is LSAT. The institute conducts JSAT law entrance exams also, and there is a RAT, JGU research aptitude test for admission to PhD. Scores of national and state level exams are also considered for several courses. Admission to integrated UG courses is purely based on the national level entrance exams. Those are JSAT and LSAT. Now, quick facts about the Jindal Global Law School. So, this law school offers a unique BA in Legal Studies course also, which is one of its kinds in Indian academia. Now, next, international collaborations. Jindal Law School has international collaborations with over 155 universities and institutions in 36 countries all over the world. International partner universities include Columbia Law School, USA, Harvard University in USA, University of Dayton, US, Birmingham City University in UK, Stockholm University, Sweden, University of Granada, Spain, and many more. So there are also dual degree programs in collaboration with Indiana University, Tilburg University, University of New Hampshire, etc. Jindal Global Law School also offers a geographically diverse and academically enriching variety of student exchange programs. Student exchange programs are open for the students pursuing the 5-year BLLB, BBLLB programs, 3-year LLB, and 1-year LLM program as well. The short-term study abroad programs such as global media and international journalism, diplomacy and foreign policy, politics, philosophy and economics, etc. in USA, UK and Europe as well. Now let's know a bit about NLSIU. NLSIU was the first national law university established in India in 1986. This is a premier law school which was set up with a mission to pioneer legal education reforms and to anchor the transformation of Indian legal system through research and policy interventions. It is one of the first institutions in the country to introduce the 5-year integrated law degree at the undergraduate level with the commencement of the first batch in 1988. The NLSU also offers the following courses: 3-year LLB, 5-year BA LLB, LLM Master's Program in Public Policy, PhD in Law, PhD Interdisciplinary Program, and other online and hybrid programs. Henceforth, 5-year LLB program eligibility in NLSIU is that you have to first of all give the entrance exam of CLAT, Common Law Admission Test, and for this, you have to score 45% minimum marks in your 10 plus 2. Also, if you are appearing for your 12th exam, then also you can appear in this CLAT examination, but you will get admission once you get the minimum requirement, that is 45% in your exams, in your result of 12th examinations. You have to appear for Common Law Admission Test, and NLSIU is the topmost college, topmost NLU under CLAT category. Intake and reservation, the total intake capacity shall be 180 for year 2022 and 2023. Seats shall be reserved as follows: scheduled class 15%, scheduled class 7.5%, other backward class 16.2%, economically weaker classes 6%, persons with disabilities 5%, women 18%, Karnataka students are provided with reservation. Now, the duration of the program shall be a period of 5 academic years. Each academic year is divided into 3 trimesters, with an average of not less than 70 working days for each. University has revised the academic curriculum for BLLB Honours Program, keeping in mind the following objectives. First of all, there is an introduction of a dissertation allowing for advanced legal research and writing in an area of students' interest for 5th year class. So normally in the master's program, LLM jo aapke hota hai course, in that dissertation is mandatory. But this time NLSIU has introduced it in the 5th year class course itself. Next, there is an increase in the number of elective courses for students of 3rd and 4th year. Also updating the curriculum in tune with the requirement of current legal practice and the increasing number of clinical courses in the admission fee one time is 10,000. So total it's going to be around 3,27,815 per annum. For scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category, it's going to be 3,23,815 rupees per annum. Fees and charges are provisional and subject to confirmation and provision as per the. So for 3-year LLB program, you have to, under NLSIU, you have to give another entrance exam, that is NLSAT. Now you have to appear for this exam. There are going to be two parts, part A and B, and the candidate shall be required to attempt both the parts of the question paper. Examination shall be for a duration of 150 minutes. There are also very many research opportunities at NLSIU committed to reforming the legal education in pursuit of academic excellence. NLSIU places significant emphasis on legal and policy research. Research at NLSIU is primarily carried out through its centers, chairs, multi-year research projects, and through individual faculty initiatives as well. The university's specialized research centers have been repeatedly called upon to shape laws and improve implementation in intellectual property, child rights, and environmental laws, among many others. In 2020, NLSIU has identified 5 focus areas where it will develop new interdisciplinary research clusters. And these areas are labor and work, climate justice, state capacity and reform, access to justice and legal system reform, law, technology, and society. Placements and salary package. First of all, let's understand the placement and salary packages of NLSIU. You know, whenever you are going to choose a college, the end result that you are looking forward is that how much are you going to earn? How settled are you going to be after the 5-year course? So it's very necessary to evaluate it as per individual college basis. Let me tell you about the packages that has been offered through NLSIU. So during NLSIU Bangalore placements in 2020, the highest CTC of 18 lakh per annum was offered, and average was 12 to 16 lakh per annum. Lowest CTC stood at 12 lakh per annum. A total of 53 out of 80 students registered themselves for the placement. 23 pre-placement offers were made, and the recruiters offered 44 job offers to the students of the passing out batch of 2020. There were top recruiters like Luthra and Luthra Partners, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, Trilegal, ICICI Bank, Associate General, etc. Same number of placement offers. Similarly, for OP Jindal, placement statistics of 2019-20 is provided here. There are various international opportunities. Companies which have recruited from Jindal Global Law School are ICICI Bank, Upgrad, Golari, Associate Group, HDFC Bank, Topline, Edelweiss, Square Yards, American Express, Byju's. Now, 50% corporate recruiters were there, 91% placement percentage across all global law school programs were there. Highest salary offered internationally was 15 lakh per annum. And 15 lakh per annum highest salary offered in India also. Now, 51 students opted for family business and or entrepreneurship. Now, let's understand the comparison. I have summarized it in a way. So, OP Jindal versus NLSIU. OP Jindal Law College is a bit on the expensive side. So, at about 6 lakhs per annum for 5-year law course, Jindal Global Law School is possibly the most expensive law school. If you can afford it, there's nothing to worry about. The infrastructure possibly justifies the fees. Next, when we compare the faculty, so GGLS, OP Jindal is going to probably invite international faculty as guest lecturers. You might want to check the qualification of their academia on their website. So this is also one of the, and NLSIU also has really great faculty. Also, international exposure in OP Jindal is a bit more, as it appears that most of the professors have their LLM from international universities. This may help if you are interested in doing LLM abroad. Although for NLSIU being the topmost NLU in India also offers similar opportunities. The mooting in GGLS and NLSIU both are extraordinary. The GGLS won the Oxford Prize Media Law Moot of 2014, which was a reputed international moot competition. Now, in conclusion, we could say that OP Jindal is a good law school to go, but it is also advisable to compare independent colleges rather than comparing all NLUs together at one side and JGLS to the other. Now, both are giving you good placement and the opportunities are also good. Both colleges are the topmost law colleges of the country. So choose wisely. Thank you so much.